Let's try Polar with a $5 bet. Few spins. Come on, Polar.
We'd like to congratulate our latest jackpot winner from Kansas, winning $3,500 on its payback time. Congratulations to the lucky winner.
All right, somebody won some jackpot. My turn. Time to win a jackpot. Just give me 3 of the wilds on the line if you don't mind. We got a red screen. Oh, I was hoping it would stay red. Alright, do that again. Oh, that's even better. That is even better. $200. Alright. Do a couple of backup spins on it. That was sweet. Now, give me that jackpot, would you? I would be forever grateful if you would do that. That would be the biggest jackpot I've ever won. 50,000, 25,000, I mean, sorry, this is a dollar machine. 25,000, I would definitely be thrilled with that. I will stop at 650. And last spin. Alright. Alright. Come up here on Randy. He's winning. I thought I'd record his play for a little bit.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Ooh, this could be a good one. 30? Yeah. Nice. Would you put $100 in it?
Yeah.
Nice. You said it's been red screening and
Triple bars.
woo! Triple bars. Nice. Heck yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Fist bump.
Cashed out 200 on it.
Yeah, you already cashed out 2 and then put another 100 in it. Nice. Heck yeah. I don't think I can move that, can I? No. He's got that attached to it. That's his umbilical cord. It's attached to him. Do it again. Oh, man. $700. Holy cow. Maybe you'll jackpot it.
Red screen again.
It's going to be mixed bars this time. Alright. We're at high winds. I wanted to go eat, but I came over here and Randy's winning, so we can't go eat yet. It's alright. I really don't need to eat, probably. See if Randy can work his magic here. Get a jackpot. Since I can't get any jackpots, maybe he can. Back over 700. Move his cord over here. There we go. Mixed bars? Nope. Do something good here. How about 777? Wild, wild, wild on the line. $20,000 live on the YouTube.
It won't red screen and let us off the line.
Oh, yeah?
For some reason.
No, it didn't do it that time, yeah.
It's camera shy.
I don't know. He hit triple bars for us when I was recording, so not too shy. Do it again, triple bars. Uh-oh, there's that 666. Oh my gosh. I swear that shows up all the time. You're gambling. You always end up with 666 sometime. Alright, Polar. Can you die on us?
There you go.
He's gonna be a while on the line. Oh, nope. Postage stamp. Alright. Good. Glad I was wrong about that one.
I'd much rather had wild triple bar.
Yeah. That would have been a jackpot. Can't pay. I think. Yeah. That would have been 960. That would have been a 1920 jackpot. Well, I guess you were betting max, weren't you?
Yeah, I was, yeah. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. It usually spins 2 or 3 times.
Well, maybe it will again. I wish I would have been recording on that Fox on the Run.
Yeah.
When I hit that 700, that was nice. But only put $30 in it. That's it. That's why I wasn't recording, because I was like, I'm only going to get 10 spins, you know.
Alright, going downhill again. Get it back up to 700.
Let's go, Polar. That's got to be something. Or not.
Dang. Bring it down to 600.
Cash out.
We'll go eat.
We go eat. Good. Don't want you to lose, but I do want to go eat.
Get down to 600 to get back up to 700.
Or infinity. Oh no, it's gonna red screen, isn't it? Oh, it didn't. You have
Not usually on one.
you had a lot of good patterns up there. Come on, do it here. Darn it. Mixed bars.
Attention, I win casino guests. Haley Wagner, please come to the Players Club. Haley Wagner.
Wow.
Alright, almost time to go eat. Alright, yes, dinner time.